I'm going to show you an easy way to import custom fonts to CapCut PC, so let's get started. So if you go to Google and then just search for Google Fonts, go to Google Fonts. So I like to use Google Fonts. You could also use dafont.com as another popular place to get custom fonts. In this example, we're going to go with Google Fonts. And let's go to Playful. And let's use this one, Barrio. So I'll click on this. So I want to import this into CapCut PC. I'm going to say Get Font, and I'm going to download all. Works best in Google Chrome. I'm going to open this up. It just downloaded. And then I'm going to click on Barrio, the font that we just downloaded. And I'm simply going to double click on Barrio Regular. It's going to pull this up and I'm going to say install. It went ahead and installed it. It took about 3 seconds. Next, I'm going to open up CapCut. So that's a key thing, is to make sure that you do not have CapCut open. Or if you do have it open, you'll just have to restart it after you install the new font. Just going to open an existing project. So let's test this out. Let's go up to text. And then let's drag default text onto the timeline. Let's go over here and we'll just change this to test font. And then right here, font system, click here. Let's go ahead and search for our new font, Barrio. And there it is, Barrio Regular. Looks pretty good, actually really like that font. But it's that simple to import any custom font to CapCut PC. Once again, a couple things to keep in mind. I like Google Fonts, you can use that one. You could use dafont.com to get your custom fonts. Make sure that you start with CapCut not open, or if you do have it open, restart it after you download your font. Then simply add some text, go here and search for it. Or another way to find your new font is to scroll all the way down. It's going to be at the bottom or towards the bottom where you have custom fonts imported. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials. See you in the next one.